30 cents cheaper, something like
What kind of police activity is this? Why is everybody driving so slow all of a sudden? When I was driving these roads this morning, it was rush hour. People were flying down this road, double whatever the speed limit was. Here comes a speed demon. But, go ahead. No turn signal. Do it again, one more time. There you go. Oh, you know what? And then for the test footage, I'm gonna play a song, so they don't hear us talking on the audio.
that. Okay.
I gotta hook up my FM modulator. I've got a 70 mAh battery pack under your seat. I just gotta connect the power, my little power cord. Oh yeah, so I found one. Remember I was asking you if you had any female CLAs
Mm-hmm.
with an MR30 connector or whatever. I used the factory MR30 connector, and I already had a female CLA, but I just had one of them. So I used those little lever connectors that you sold me on to connect it. So I was able to make one,
Okay.
makeshift rig. It's not permanent. I have to buy two more for permanent.
I think, like I told you this morning or yesterday, it's weird that I get to be in the passenger seat and just look at stuff.
Yeah, I do like that when I'm in the passenger seat when no one's driving because you can relax a little bit. So yeah, is that chair comfortable?
Yeah.
I hope so because for the 20 year or the 15 years I've had this car, the only person that sat in this car is me. No one has ever sat in that seat, or that seat because I only use this car for specific commuting duties. So that the foam in that seat is completely brand new. The seat foam on the bottom, this is completely compacted, and that's why it adds to my back pain. And there it is, Vegas burrito.
Oh, okay.
I totally forgot. So yeah, that's why I fall when I get in that chair, I fall asleep like that because it's the the cushioning is brand new. That lady thought I was the police because my turn signal lit her up. She's like, "Why is he putting the spotlight on me? It's a cornering lamp, lady." Okay, let's go in here in order, and then I'm gonna come back out and hook up my FM modulator. So turn this off.